Hello and welcome, my friend. I'm so happy you're here today. This is Alex, and this is your space to grow, to learn, and to become better, step by step. You're doing something powerful right now. You're giving time to yourself. You're building your English. You're building your life. And that's a big deal. Today, we're going to talk about something very special. Something that can change the way you think, the way you learn, and the way you live. So stay with me until the end. I promise this will help you, not just with English, but with your thinking too. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at something and thought, this is just too difficult? I can't do it. Maybe it was a big task. Maybe it was a new skill. Or maybe it was just a bad day. We all have days like that. But sometimes, the problem is not the task. The problem is how we look at it. And that's what we will explore today. We will learn a simple way to look at problems in a new light, a better light. We will talk about how you can turn a problem into a puzzle. Yes, you heard me right, a puzzle. So what is a puzzle? A puzzle is something you solve little by little. It may look hard at first, but each piece you find brings you closer to the answer. You don't give up on a puzzle. You keep trying. You test different pieces. You enjoy the challenge. Now think about this. What if we looked at our problems the same way? Instead of saying, I can't, we say, let me try a different piece. That small change can make a big difference. Let's take an example. Imagine you are trying to speak English, but you feel shy. You forget words. You think your grammar is not good. That feels like a big problem. But let's turn it into a puzzle. What is one piece you can try today? Maybe just saying hello to someone in English. That's one small step, one piece of the puzzle. Then, tomorrow, maybe you ask a small question, like, how are you? These are pieces, and little by little, the big picture will become clear. Another example, maybe you feel stuck in your daily routine. You wake up, go to work, come home, and feel tired. You want something more, but you don't know where to start. So what if you think of your day as a puzzle? One piece can be 10 minutes for yourself. Just 10 minutes. You listen to a podcast. You write a few lines in English. You read something new. These are not small actions. These are puzzle pieces. And together, they build your new day, your better routine. Now, here is another powerful idea. Every puzzle is made to be solved. Think about that. Puzzles are not impossible. They are designed to be finished. And your mind is just like that. It can find the answer. It can solve the problem. But you must be gentle with yourself. Be patient. Some puzzles take more time. But with every step, you are learning, you are growing, and you are stronger than you think. Let's learn a few words from today's talk. First, the word puzzle. It means a problem you solve by finding small parts and putting them together. Second, routine. This is your usual way of doing things every day. And third, piece, a part of something bigger. When you think about your learning or your goals, try to break them into pieces. You don't have to finish everything in one day. You just have to start with one step, one small move. You can use this idea in many parts of life. If you want to learn something new, start with one short video, one simple book, one easy question. If you want to improve your health, start with one glass of water, one short walk. If you want to feel better, start with one small smile. It sounds simple, but it works. These small pieces become part of the big picture. Now you may ask, Alex, What if I try and still make mistakes? That's okay. Mistakes are part of the puzzle too. Every time you try, even if it's not perfect, you are learning. You are finding which pieces do not fit. That helps you know what does fit. So don't be afraid of getting it wrong. Be proud that you are trying. I want to leave you today with a message from my heart. You are not alone. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. You are learning at your own speed, and that's the right speed. You have a strong mind, a kind heart, and a good reason to keep going. And remember this, every puzzle has a solution, and you will find it. Now it's time for you to practice. Take one thing you learned today and use it. Think of a challenge in your life. Then ask yourself, what is one small piece I can try today? Just one. Maybe it's learning one new word. Maybe it's speaking for 30 seconds in English. Maybe it's just writing your plan for tomorrow. Whatever it is, take that step. I'll be right here, cheering for you.